This week's kit of the week is Hazbro Hazy IPA.
Hazbro. What hops are in it? Let me just at least talk about that. So this one it's got Sabro, Citra, and one of my personal favorites, Cashmere. So some great, think like lemon, lime, pina colada flavors. It's an awesome recipe. You're gonna enjoy it.
To win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter the weekly giveaway.
Hey everyone, Vito from More Beer here. Chris and I recently brewed a Dortmunder on the Brewzilla Gen 4, and we got to ferment in the new Brewbuilt X2 Conical with a jacket. So this beer is chillin', and we cold crashed it. You can see the yeast settled out there. So we're gonna be pulling clear beer right from the top and go ahead and keg it.
And come check it out. Looks like it's gonna be a real easy clean job.